News just in, 6 people shot during drive-by shooting in Denham Town. Hi again and welcome, this is Links007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. 6 people were shot and injured in Denham Town a short while ago in Kingston. Reports are that a group of persons were standing on Albert Street in the section of the community when men traveling in a motor car opened fire, hitting the members of the group. The men then escaped from the area in the waiting motor car. The police were called to the area and during checks, 6 persons were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.